bring me go some.
Yeah, go and go make one of them bring you.
Kacha. No, I fool you take me for. No man, I fool you take me for, bro. That means that you don't want this for work. You're just all about me feel like do certain things for sure you say, me see say you did really hurt. So me need to play the game and I make certain things happen just for sure you say, alright then baby, me love you just the same. I'm sorry for what it take place whichever way. Side, so me no know. And it can't work one way. Same way how you have feelings where you want, like for go somewhere go consume something and know say I'm here take care, right? My like them something there too.
Tell me which one you girl ever carry out and then me carry out.
Jetty, listen me out. Why you classify yourself as girl?
Them a scrape from you.
Why you classify yourself as girl?
I know me never say me.
No, cause I only woman me know about so if you
do that, me say mine got strike you know.
I joke thing you deal with her.
Say you can't talk like me, you know, say me not have no money now. You can't.
Jetty, why find that? Me not go talk that. Me can't tell you say me not fuck with the next woman.
Gotta go.
Jetty, you know long. Me no evil mix.
You see when time it's when time me like me I go block you, you know. Me serious. You see when time we done and everything, me I go block you.
Jetty, what you want now? Call it we done now. You can't block me. Block my bro, cause this now make no sense.
Yeah, somebody say you have woman and then see a grown woman one night. I mean no. I'm not true not even know. You see? Chat, let me tell you all this. Alright, I'm old woman.
So you have to make people over your life just type certain things and you run with that? Eh? People can't just randomly there in your comment section and type say them see I bring one girl and you take that feet.
6 years chat, get this bitch. May I chat more? Chat your more, Jetty, you chat too much. How are you?
Jetty, yeah? How old are you? The last time I checked, me know you're supposed to 30 odd.
Chat.
So you move like you're a teenager, you make people over here tell you things and you accept that.
Chat, no, can't look at my face.
Like, me no know about that something there, bro. Me no practice for tell life from me a juvenile, bro. Me no benefit from that. Me's a big grown ass man, you know. Me can't get up and I tell me love and I like lie about it. Me love you, be. Why would I evil like I tell you lie? Me love you, so why would I evil I tell you lie? Jetty, hear what me I say to you. Why you really feel like say me would have a next woman? Jetty, you know say if I have 2, 3 and you see the whole media, everybody have it as my mean. So what that would I do to me now for say alright, I have 2, 3 women around this up?
Because two a girl them I deal with that some gas pan and some.
You as my baby mother, you know that. Says, me need you to trust me and just things. Accept it as it is. Don't make it look like me I come here and I like go around here. Are you ever make me have to sound certain way? Are you make it reach to this, you know? Are you make it reach to this, bro? Me ever cheat on you, Jetty?
Millions and one time. Chat to us. Where are the chat? Millions and one time.
Jetty, otherwise from the female after you go and whatsoever, you know me never yet mix with the next female?
No, no, you see you hear them? Mine got shut them out. You me I tell you?
You don't say that lady you don't take life serious. Jetty.
You don't take life serious and you think say telling lie that is good. No. If you tell lie that good.
Alright. Alright, so when me I says
that's why you make y'all laugh over here so cause they know say them a mix with you and you mix with them. I see you me no want to use one knife for you and IP.
Me can't tell you, bro. Accept it or not, bro. You see, otherwise from the female where You see? Are the media see? Bro, me never yet mix with no female otherwise for my time in video. Bro, yeah, bro. Me not depend them thing
Yeah, me
there,
dey like
bro.
man. Wait, I listen to that.
Black girl.
Hmm?
So what going you not give me a thing out of what we make today? Eh?
You know, Kayla go on. Me dey kind of like
Yeah, Kayla, go on Kayla. Eh?
What me make? $1 million me make?
Me not really care how much you make, but you need to even give me. You know I joke me and make my baby mother. Joke me and make him pumpkin. Chat power taps. So what one? When we done stream, I can't come for you, baby.
Come, where come? So
Jetty,
you can't go eat one
I
fish.
know
You want
matter
back
I
one
not
fish?
eat no fish. I want me I
Me no watch
scroll
TV.
on TikTok on our phone.
Yeah, brother.
Georgette, come on now. I feel like that a right thing for at me night. Yeah. Just come kill a night with me. I feel like I that me amazed. Me just want to have your arm next to me.
No, sir.
Eh?
I make that stay till next year, right? So
Till who?
make it chat till next year.
No, no worry about that, bro. She don't get that and more than that, me give her, and still have more figure.
Where am I chat? Where am I say me?
No follow up that.
You see you?
Jetty, most of the time if you see certain comment and play a blind eye to it. Chat power taps.
Ask him. Chat, you know me not ask him because it's a cause problem. Because the name me not ask me. Me not ask him.
Yeah, ask me Jetty.
Me not ask him. Everything good.
Then the people them come over here come ask me.
Go over there go ask him. Go over there go ask him. Because I don't really want to ask him. Because I don't want to analyze him when I see him. So me not go ask him.
Forward now me see what I say.
But see what you not say. See what you not say. You did not go like to see what them a say.
What about Sasha? How long me and Sasha left from 2024? You know say I'm Swissley and one girl used today?
Me don't want
No,
you no more.
I got the
Just
girls say
stop
from
that.
2024
Just
them
stop.
them
Shut
left.
up your mouth.
Them sure them approve with the message them with Swissley and her.
Shut up your mouth.
Jetty, I one bag of something I go on in January.
Me don't want here. Me don't want here.
Jetty, you know see a whole heap of something I go on TikTok I want pussy whole place, you know. Whole heap of people love life. It turning a disgrace. Yeah, she sure the message. I couldn't believe when me see Jetty. A good thing you never go that far with me and you think you
Stop
could have
calling
come.
name. I go see something. Stop calling name, brother. Just stop.
You see, and this me not bumbo clock like with you. No matter how me I talk to you upon a balance, you always start sound certain way.
You too mix up and not.
Jetty, you really said that a while ago? Where you call mix up? Where you call mix up? You come here and ask if you not see certain things we are going on the
Me not see nothing. Me not see nothing.
Alright, load that. Load that black girl.
Yeah, two different something. Yeah, two different.
Alright, load that black girl.
Jetty, kill me. Me a kill her. In two lie, me say man, me just afraid that me know this a man like me handbag. You know you look on your handbag, I saw me know him. Me man lie like sure, brother. You don't know the black African show? I saw you looking at your yeah. One idea and I go see me do him something. You know, you hear?
Yo, she dark your fuck, bro. Yeah, bro, I stood up to her like for 13 years with her darkness.
Anybody tell me say me dark, I chew them all black because you know say me more dirty. If anybody talk about me dark or whoever else start
Hello, stop talk and stop there, someone. The person I mean nothing bad. Person, everything you what I'm
doing. No, for me, so boy, people.
Jetty, me there somewhere for you, lady? Me there somewhere for you?
Me no know if you, me could never, because that's why me not come by your day. Me no know if you be that.
And?
Boy, people never.
George, you need for, bro, you need for chill, yeah? What I'm to you?
You soon know.
You know, say, bro, me no know how long now. Me and you now
Yeah,
mix
me
up
dark.
with
So
certain
yeah,
things.
yeah, me dark. So yeah, do me I go talk about you. Me dark you fuck. You don't know where you do. You do that style, me and that style, but for how long?
Yeah,
When
bumbo
it come from here,
claw, Jesus Christ. Chat, what myself a style a lady here a while?
oh,
Jetty.
in dark you fuck. Me don't know me I do with her so long. Me do with her so long.
But
So
me
nice.
nah cuss with her, bro. Come here, bro,
So
John.
look a batty man and so look a waste man over this type and type and comment. You know they no go and go look
No,
a
a
life for
girl, yeah,
themselves and start
different
pissing and
thing.
stuff.
Yo, me say, yo, bro, me have to just salute myself, dog. I'm a tough still to keep up with Jetty. Hey, Jetty head cheap different, you know. Jetty we just there as I say something, you know. I just left from
Shut
this.
the gloves son. Send the gloves for
Yo,
me.
I just trip, bro. Me don't even know if I explain it, bro. But I love my baby mother, regardless.
Thank you, boy.
I love
You
her.
don't love me because you always make people your style, me and that style,
Bro,
you
what you
know.
call style, babe?
She dark you fuck, I mean, I know me, when me, oh, me and I go through too much. Wait, you know, if you say that,
But
you should have said
Georgie,
my youth
stop
must say
now.
that.
Alright, watch what I go on my baby mother. Dash with that round this so. What go on, mama suck on one of your breast them in the night, you know?
Sorry for me, so what go do if you come suck on one of them and I know. You soon send a picture come show you what stuff suck on.
Jetty, unless you see a casket you like. If you dare feel like your name Georgia Smith, try that. Feel like you can even like play a certain game with me. You know me,
Me I go send me and the man in a one view, so you're not gonna have a long feel
watch
upon
you
me.
now. You think I how long me I just want to get a glance. You think me I walk with my
Yeah, it's
last?
a one view.
Eh? You think me I come with
Me
my
I get one
last?
look.
A shot me I come for shot people. You must feel like say some ramping thing. You feel like you can ramp with me? Eh? What make you think you not move on and find a next man? Cause you know my head mad for true. You just want like say, I just have a clue. See a next man. Eh? In a picture. Watch out, bilious, breathless. Anywhere you're there. You know me not no sense. And when my forward the whole place I get shell. I could I dog everything. You are going to know what time it is, babe. Remember when me are you know, me always tell you, say, yo, you see that something here? Yes,
Yeah, so I
I
text me
like.
anyway.
Yo,
Me not
remember now?
me not
Yo, you know me a madman for true, babe. You can't ramp with me. You know certain game me not play. Nowadays I tell you, say, if you risk your life, and me a gast about your belly. Yeah.
here who love give born.
Yo, so,
Exactly. Me
yo, no boy, no lily boy, no man tear. And you know that too.
chat, why me don't know.
Tita cool, man. And you know that, man. Broadboard in the face. Chat, power taps. Chat, power taps. Yo, no moderator no dey over here, cause me nah go take them talk here, you know. Me dey here saw deal with my baby mother. And boy, you gotta tell me for relax. So what about your woman? Eh? Eh? Why you not gonna have a convo with your woman you want dey here and a chattings with me and me there sorry with my baby mother? What kind of man you be? Eh? Eh? Chat, power taps. Black girl. At anytime 12 o'clock, you know.
So where I go to back? I got set up.
Black girl, watch what go on about in there. At them time, them want you pack your look knapsack. Yo, watch what go on now. You know, forgot all out, you know. Just put one look change your clothes in night and one two jars in your bag. Come spend the night with my dog. Pumpkin, watch what go on and I even think about that, man.
Chat 6 years.
Watch what go on now.
Chat,
Watch what go on, pumpkin. I know you missed that look something there.
eh?
No, Jetty, come on now, baby. Me not like talk with love life over
You know, miss that you have that all over.
Yo, no, what kind of all over?
That go all
Baby,
over, brother, I'm afraid.
no bother with that, man.
All over, you have
Everything
that,
jiggy
brother.
same way, man, be. Me I tell you, say nothing no change. Clean like running water.
No, me no want
Watch
that.
what I wanna be. Here when me I say to you now, G. Watch what I want. You see for that? Plastic bag. Cause I just feel like I forget where you have. Yo, I'm willing to strap up there. No, me never know how this it would have come to. My good baby mother attack them way. But watch what I want. To my feeling at night, any see me a drink and a bun a hot grab a split. I'm willing to throw on a bag for anything.
Not sure you ain't come here, so bro.
No, watch what I want now. Nobody do me that though. Yo, B, not do me that. Yo,
Say,
watch out, man. Just make it thing work, man.
nah, go work, bro.
Alright then, I know you miss that little moment they like when me are Ray and me are Ray there so cause you always yeah, Jetty, you see you always rub my head when me a suck your breast. That means it feel good. Me know you want that Judge, come on now, just Jetty. You tell me say you don't miss them little moment there? Eh? Alright then, here what go on. You see if you not come build with me come build with you for night.
Me nah no space, I'm telling you, say.
No, baby, me and you will sleep together. Me no business bonus space.
We are gonna sleep together.
No, so Chuku go over me lie down there and you. Me can't hold. Alright then, that me I tell you say if you company black come hold off the night with me.
We no come tell me about for go give Gigi a link, brother. No just come
Alright,
and
watch
find
what I
out,
go on then. Watch what I go on then, Judge. Cause me know you're militant, you know. Me will hold it on the stretch then.
We straight.
Come on now, military style.
Go pick her up, pick up who? Me not. Sunday me come cross. Oh, that's
Today I went. Tuesday?
yeah, tomorrow I win.
I can't wait so long.
Well, none at all then, bro. Since you're not here, bro.
Black girl, like that, me I show you, baby. Stop now, man. You too much night. Now me I sleep by myself, babe.
That's how it go. You have to practice yourself. If you're not twin, not chat.
Yeah, watch what I go on. Yeah, say Ray, me and you are not twin, but me and you feel sleep together just to see him. I feel like, yeah, my leg for yeah, lock over you just to see him and me and rub you down till me go drop asleep.
Awa.
Alright then, Jetty, watch what I go on. Here what I go on, baby mother. So you say, you're not forward on my side of her. And me can't come only on your side of her. Eh?
No.
Alright then, watch what I go on, black girl. Who go and play too much then? Yeah, play too.
No, we're not bed and go on your bed. You see me today. We're not going to bed and go on your bed.
People can't capitalize on this, you know? Chat, power taps. No, bro, a 3 night now, I try that, bro, and me have to drive come back home. Yeah, dog, a 3 night, I pull up on her, bro. Unseen. Yeah, bro, and when me reach, no matter how me I tell her, say, watch what I want, in her car. Yeah, bro, she nah make you walk, broski. Yeah, so I just say, alright then. Yeah, bro, she nah work with the program.
Chat me no ready to no top pressure, me not force me.
I'm supposed to type like voice script though, cause your whole out still in a black girl. Me no know if you have a little rose or what, but your whole out, bro. I have a one man we are coming from here.
Me not have a man. So if wife me have a man. If me have a man, I not do it every day, so it's tight same way. Thank you, Richard.
So Jetty, I did say ball game there for sure, I just chat ya chat.
Juna, me have to say something, I ask a question.
Yeah.
So what if me have somebody, me no really have nobody, me don't really have nobody where I go, where each round me have to stay around me, like no one again. 6 years chat.
Yo, so what you are going on? Can you see you now, Jetty? Me know you love your life, you know. You know me serious when it come on to you certain, you know.
Get your speed, my child.
So what you try to say, a that a go on, or you just a say that for my like react one way?
Well, so you can't go react no way because you do too, you know, so you know, so that squid out, you get me?
Oh, the bumbo clad Jetty, I say, what you mean about squid sword? Eh?
Make it squid out, man. You a do, me I do. So you don't have to worry yourself. Oh.
Yo, nuts man, now we know there, dog.
You get me, Jay, so.
Yo, don't come talk about no J, bro. What you are going on? Cause I see like, look for something, you know. Come like you want, but just come in your yard and just dry ya and just bring in and make ya and just bring it. What?
I can't come do what?
Yeah, bro, and search, yeah, bro, and see if you really are give me thing, bro.
Wait. Search who?
Oh, you mean? Cause me know how me left it, you know.
Oh, you left it?
Yeah, that same way the oh you know me left it.
I don't know how you left it. Big?
Yo, that never in night. Georgette, hear me and say here.
You come like, no chat, you know, you come like this way, God bless me.
Yo, stop ramping, bro. You know where you do my youth.
My father winning name, Panny. So I feel peace of land. I feel catch chat, so you go.
Georgette, black girl. Yo, so you say my youth, you tell me say, me I tell you say, rural
Yes.
I know come here, come on play.
Can't go on all those till 1 year, bro. That now me know you're not going to do.
Georgette. The sun come out, I bring you back pay your black.
No, me not come to your place, but that me want to come to your place, me not come there from me up, from you can.
Bring your pay your black, and you go dealt with that, and later I circle you
No, me
again.
born. Them already fuck
Yo,
you, but yeah, food.
I like much days and months now. Eh?
October me born. October you born. October people still.
Over them you come. But stop black.
Born the 14th October.
Chat, power tap.
First gift triple chat. What you give me for my birthday, Junior? Libra.
See them something I want to give you now.
By October. That's all they want to give. Eh? So much all about October, like, it's 12 also. Chukubani in 9. Thank you, guys. What you want?
And when you're born again, black girl?
You born in 14 October, oh God, you not shame.
14 October? Yeah.
I want me know say you born in 9 of July, I mean, me that no figure. Me no figure.
I good something that, you know. I love that. At least you know something about me. So where you want me get you for your strong?
I don't know what, I don't know where you get me,
Me no know, you for tell me where you want. You want something black? Me know you always love chocolate.
No, me no want nothing black.
Where you want? Talk to me. Jetty, you can't put one piece of duct tape over that puppy them out or something making tapping eyes. I can't hear myself, you know, man.
Are you, me can't tell you where you fi buy for me, are you fi buy? Run out to the pocket with you.
Where you want?
Hmm? No, I'm not fi tell you, are you fi tell me?
Alright then. Me I go list out 2 things right here, so. And anything where you like, honestly, baby, me I go get you for your birthday. Just a few things me I go list out. Jetty, what about a ring? You would love that for your birthday, on?
So what you think? No,
Alright, if you know like that, just say pass.
What again?
Alright then, baby. What about a nice 2014 Honda Fit customized? Me know. What about that?
But we can't drive at that time.
No,
Probably all
baby,
that
me
time
teach her even saying you go driving.
on that, eh?
Come on, no, you should never jump to that. You don't know what again the on the list?
What again?
No, you don't say yeah.
No, that night too.
Come on, no.
So,
I yesterday I go look for one nice house over Cumberland, you know. People them tell me say give them 8 million. I'ma get it. Me out for ask if you want the house, but you say you want car first. Nothing wrong with that. Listen me out, Jetty. So we are gonna get you the car for your Earth Strong. But how we are gonna get you this car? You need to come back in your yard.
Yeah.
Jetty, you don't come back in your yard, no car. Jetty, you know Chrissy? For your baby father put her out to, you know, and the man go at the car mad.
Junior.
No, Junior, me a plate clot. Listen, the man got the car mad and buy him baby mother one nice underfit. What make you think me come up with the idea? I me a follow. Yeah, him go at the car mad and order the car and call her on the phone and say, come my baby, you want to see how she reach quick? And she live far from the car man. Quick and far she reach. So me I say at least that mood I want to do for my baby too. What you think? No, Jetty, what you think?
Yeah, man, buy it, bought it.
Alright then, baby. So, hear what I said, what? You have to come at your yard, bro. Starting from, bro, this thing, once you come home now, bro, all the morning we can get the car. Jetty, you remember come for you now? Jetty, stop now. Baby, me I come for my baby mother.
You left so now?
What do you mean, but yo, stop ramping, man, look a girl.
Both of you,
Alright, yeah, I see say you nah. I see say you nah take the top. You nah take it bait.
Alpha wipes that. Hey, go get rid of that puppy then, no? Kayla.
Make sure rolling normal, bro. Watch what I wanna. Bro, a whole heap of time I been a gear that way there, bro, for she just rolling normal. And she not rolling, bro, so me have to try buy her out. Black girl, send the request now.
So you say, buy me out.
Yeah, cause I see say you're not forward home naturally though.
Oh boy. I let me go on to no chat. No.
Jasmine, what you say you do, bro? For the last time, you know remember come for you?
You know say if you relax, bro. When me tell me mind say me not come. When me tell me mind me not come out of my house, bro.
When you tell your mind, so what?
Me not move, I don't so me stay, bro. Get me?
Alright, watch what I wanna since you not do it willingly, I force like rabbit here. I don't tell you I last match this me I'm gonna put on my shirt.
You me say if you relax and you say yourself and stop like something wrong with your brother.
Bro, you not hear what me I say. Me say me not sleep
yeah,
without
come in
you
again.
tonight.
Yeah,
Me can't bring you up brawling today and me and you go sit down around table and consume fish and you feel like some of us sleep without you tonight. And my shirt me I go for.
You know go and feel?
Yo, here when me want you go for in the meantime, take up two of your nice jars them and put in a bag with 2 t-shirts. Yo, you no move. Jettyy, Joe thing you do with her a hoof move you do.
Do not relax yourself.
B, I been a relax. And I feel like if day I relax with my palm black.
You too jumpy, you know.
What you mean about me too jumpy? Yo, what you going on? B,
come back your fish money. Eh?
B, I no fish money. You make it look like something or some joker poker thing. I'm telling you know 15,000 I want me spend daily or more. Yeah, come and talk about more about my baby mother. No. Yeah, come and talk about more. Yo, what you going on? See it? I them thing that me I tell you about now. You have to talk about me I gonna have you as user and them thing. Right now me now I'm not close to put all of my clothes them dirty. Me the marina yeah. Eh? Look.
Chat is the marina there. Wanna look.
Yo, watch out. Yo. You know.
Me not even look on you because we not forward.
Yo, nuts man, we look for split for me the killer.
Stay in your yard, bro.
Yeah, me yard what? What you going on, Jettyy? Yo, man, I'm gonna do this with you, B. I just love and love alone.
Me not ready yet. No, me not coming.
What do you mean, boy, you're not ready? My toy, you move some beer hard in your play?
Yeah, relax. Just relax. If you not relax,
so why you not relax? Eh? You tell me if you relax and me been relax. Why you not relax and just come go and chill with my baby? Look how long me there and I hold it. Look how yo and you talk face. Yeah, come and go on like here when me say and this me need you for understand B. Me need to wake up the next morning which is tomorrow with my something inside of you. Me a come.
Yeah, you see him can chat and that's why me not go answer him.
Bro,
you see him?
Jettyy,
see
I'm tear my youth.
No, really, Eli.
I'm tear my youth. Look how long man there so I not get no bro. You come and tell man boy rock.
Woman, you carry Wednesday and Thursday night.
That all him want. Me no business where who no want say.
Yeah. Woman, you carry one night. You can't circle him back or make she shake you.
Yo.
I don't make
try
me
one out my
bro.
baby mother, you see? Me no business about where some people in our comment section are
No, make me go down.
Bro, what try one out? You see? Who have papers, girl? Tio. Me never said that. But the love when me have for this a female and a boy and a girl not tell me nothing about that. You come and tell me about papers. Eh? Tio. Black girl.
The last time, stay your yard.
The last time me I come for you come sleep with me in my yard.
The last time, stay your yard. Don't make me get mad.
Yo, black girl, I say a thing there. More you can't get up on my timing.
Just relax now, bro.
Yo, but me I see you know seminar now. But class sense cause you there, you good with me, you know. Good me have you in my place, you say, you know. Locked down, you know. Months, days and decades, you know. And fuck go on and me I tell you, say, yo, you have to tip out. See? No, me have to beg it out. Eh? Me can't get you? No?
Back your face.
Like me need you and you can't come home?
You never need me, bro. You never need me.
Yo, what you wanna be? I mean, I tell you, say, my fuck up and I'm sorry how much time now. I mean, I show you, say, me need you
Yeah,
back
you're
in
sorry how
my
much time,
arms.
but you're sorry. You know? You're sorry how much time I still do, bro.
Yo, bro.
Bro.
Jetty, you don't see nothing, bro. I chat, bro. Yeah, do this and feel like, say, I saw macro thing me I deal with.
You see it in your face, bro. You still do it. And somebody come tell me, so one night I didn't see you. A driver go on with woman, bro.
Yo.
You can't say a lie.
Yo, bro. I don't even want to talk this, bro.
You can't talk it because you nearly cried on the head. And you have to talk, you have to just keep it down. Because you know everything connect with me. I said, oh. Love you. Video.
Take time, girl, no rush. When them decide to make you every
Judge. Yo, what you going on? You see you? You see, since as I say, yeah, bring the thing to, bro. Me I gotta just deal with it like force, bro. Yeah, man.
Come chat. Send the rose in chat. Some more rose.
Yeah, man. Me I just deal with it like force, and bro.
One more rose. Thank you. We are do like force.
You're not gonna know till you see it get serious.
Shut up.
Weird, not so.
Where you talk about? You're not gonna win, no. Young general need you. Can't stand it so much.
That can't hurt me. Anybody else?
Tell me what I ever did that focus.
That can't hurt me. We are gonna
Little more time for you. And when you get a body, then you want it. Come here, make me want. Little more time for you. Get a body, then you want it. Just a minute, just make up. Man, would that be some your friend? Let's with them for me. The bigger than you strength. I see you just on your way. You did that body, then you say, oh, it feels so. When I say you want you're not gonna win, no. Young general need you. Can't stand.
Yeah.
Cause I gonna love you for a lifetime. Lifetime, I call me fight time. Fight.
Yo, what's non-stop singing on the side of the lunch, you know, man.
What the phone, Jack? What the push this to that thing? Yo, chat, power taps.
It's time a lifeline. Lifetime, I love your wine. I'm inside your body proper, no, after you so clean. Put your on the top of the machine. She said, man, you cash where you been. Me telling you, me glad you're on me team. Would I give you every dollar cover at the magazine? Me love her, yeah, me have a dream. Say we start a family, me we never got seen. Forever remedy, me tell us, say me got your seat. Cause I gonna love her for a lifetime. Lifetime, no time, no find time. Fight, this time, a lifeline. Lifetime, me love the wine, baby. Because I gonna love her for a lifetime. Lifetime, no time, no find time. Fight, this time.
Chat, power tap. That girl.
Relax, don't you know you need to relax, you know, bro. That's
I know that's all, but I miss you. Deal. Jaja.
see you. Time for a chat.
Kimbi?
I need to stop, bro. You need to relax and hold and easy, bro. Along. And you know you're not do this. You know you're not hold out here do the things. Them man like me. Oi.
So you can't come sleep with me tonight, yeah? Me I come for you.
Yeah, so if you tap your antenna here and tap that about comfort and sleep and sit. Now what wrong with you?
How we are call you?
I'm telling you, man.
When I get you home, come back home where you belong. Here in my arms, oh my baby, as I've been said, baby girl, up in my arms, oh my baby, as I've been said.
I'm chatting no sense no rules.
When nights were cold, I kept you warm. Come back home when you in my arms. Baby, as I've been said, baby girl, I'm alone. So please come on with your love that keeps me warm.
No, we don't do it.
That one I can be alone. That one I cannot be. I'm not scared of you.
When nights were cold, I kept you warm. Come back home where you belong. Here in my arms. Oh, my baby. As I've been said, baby girl, I'm alone. So please come on with your love that keeps me warm. I am sure I need see you in my sight. Now you gone down, and I miss you. It's just the other night when we are. Now you gone down beneath the foot, and I miss you. It's just the other night when we are falling to fight. When me tell yourself believe me, I want to see you in my sight. Now you gone down beneath the wall your sight. You bring back the time to my life, baby girl, I'm alone. So please come home, tell all that keeps me warm. I am sure I need you more than before. Baby girl, I'm alone. So please come home with your love that keeps me warm. I am sure I need you more than before. Let's do run like customs, baby girl. We couldn't stop. That's when you talk with.
And no girl, best believe round town. Yeah, me nah go talk and make it sound like me evil or go around nothing. You see, every girl when me can remember me mix with, none of them no rap my world like how you rap my world. What make you feel like me come here and ball for your pussy? And ball for you to come back home. No girl, when me ride with, none of them. You see, I know one way me look on things. You been there, yeah, when nothing now go on just the same. Yeah, yo, me a chat to you now. Yo,
Talk to your pitney brother, cause she not here.
Yo, Melanie, watch what going on.
Daddy, me a
Yo,
ear.
hear what me I said to you now. Wash off your foot and jump up on the bed and turn on the fan.
Daddy,
And
me want me phone.
yo, you not hear what me I say you for do. No, go up in the bed and go and go sleep cause you have school at morning.
Daddy, but me dep on evening shit.
Yo, Choco, I really don't care. Look at the time. No, you're up. Go and go sleep. No. I Choco that there right there, so now move. Oh,
Yeah.
Choco, what you know? Cara drive. Choco. Choco. Yo, make me come up. Are they your picnic? See Kia? Go on here, babe. Choco, go on here, babe. Yo, Choco, I share that edge. You know something of the alright.
Mommy, all the return your time about dopey.
That's why I come for you.
The return someone that sleeps side of flavor. One day night cat here and one day night flower. And night butterfly, but none of them run a mommy.
Achu, come later.
Happy true? Good night.
Good night.
Yo, send a match request now. Cause we are give her 6 to you know.
Yeah, man, that's fine.
Yeah, we are give her 6. All our supporters them big up on yourself. Everybody we are top the screen, big up. Yo, my baby mother, as me I say a while ago. Yeah? No, for true. Whole heap of female Marie with the night timing. And it's like, no matter what be, me can't find a next female like you. And you know why me even say that? Chat, power tax.
Oh yes, girl. It's good to know. Where you go? Yeah. Love is right. Yes, girl. Can't believe what I saw with my 2 eyes. This girl is me, girl is me, girl, and she passed me by. I want you to know
this stuff, you know. Me can't express how I feel about you no more. So I guess me I go just come for your action I go show. Yo, me I come for you in a black girl. Don't feel like a
You
joke
say me shut your mouth and tap your eyes and steam for your brother and tap.
Yo, watch what I want. Me coulda type Christina right here, so. Me coulda tattoo Abigail right here, so. Yeah? Me coulda tattoo Sharice here, so. Or Kerisa.
Yeah, one of them name that I call.
Listen
Yeah, one of
here.
them name that I call.
Nah. Me I show you
Yes.
say you me really choose. My baby mother, me not have nothing to lose for you. Me I come for you, B. You see something where you have between your foot like glues?
That's
I
all
ain't
I talk about.
Yo, me not do this, you know. Me a fought for you a lot. Me a give you 6 and come for you.
Give me 6 and come for me.
Me not do that me just say.
You go call and knock the door so till you go back, go sleep. You just go sleep.
Watch out, man. I could have windows and doors. Me take off any door. Yeah, just forget to you. So me don't know where you tell me about. Me knock that 2 times and me have to knock it 3 times. I kick down that blood clot. Chat,
You
go
have your
out.
$30,000 buy so you can kick you off.
Me not do this video, you know. Me say me a come for you.
What are you baby?
Chat, power taps.
Kind of international. I'm saying.
You
I
say
come for you, my baby mother.
International. And I'm going to look at my nose.
Yeah, me I come for you for true, my baby. Me need you. I'll buy her one whole big fish today. One big fish could have hardly whole in her plate. No, Jetty. Tomorrow again, I bring you go somewhere again. Every day, I bring you go somewhere, baby. And tomorrow, we might be go Mobile. You ever been to Mobile before? Me I bring you go Mobile tomorrow.
I don't know if I want to try to get to you, girl. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Let me tell you.
Watch what I going on. Do for you? Watch out, me I do it no. For sure, yes, I really need you. Yeah, I'm a fuck up one night time. I'm willing for like show you love just now. In a these little ways where me and you just like go out and go sit in and like yeah, just chill. So tomorrow we are go Mobile. Any local part of Mobile we familiar with, we just stop and roll our vibes. Sight? No, I'm a baby mother, she no must deserve it. Yeah, tomorrow, Mobile. If I know Mobile, we just find somewhere just to see him. Yeah, my baby? Pumpkin, stop push up your mouth. Now, where you do? Kiss me or you push up your mouth off of
You
me?
kiss me, I kiss you.
Okay, kiss me again. Chat, what go on this a while ago? Come like me, I nearly lose my nuggets. Chat, chat, come on, chat. Last match this. No, one more after this, chat. One more after this.
I have to go back.
Yo, send the request. One more after this. We are give her a 6 and move left her.
Chat when you reach 5, chat will take you and don't make him go 6.
Send the request now.
Make him win this B5 and when
Ask for a hand job. What you mean by that, bro? Today, move up in my house and wash up my plate them and move up my place. What you mean by hand job?
You know your bed.
Me no always a move up me and I keep myself active. Jetty,
You be?
what do you mean by hand job?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to say it here.
Jetty, come on, talk what come to your mind.
Hand job, I don't know if I don't know.
Come on, spill it
Chat,
out.
what is hand job, chat?
Come on, cause me that think of it too, you know, but me never sure now.
Oh, they for back your face. I like them at about.
Yeah, if I that would I really appreciate that. You can't come do it for me.
No, we don't have time for that, bro.
No, Jetty, if you not give me no nice something, you must can play with this something till I come. Jetty, you do them something, you know, sir, me never, yeah? Though, you never yet do them something to me, that means my relationship being sad.
Do not excuse me. Then you go and look somebody very really. Excuse me.
So
please.
you never yet pump up me something, man. Jetty, you have to go try that now. A good idea this. For first me I hear them something here. So people do them something there? No, cause she stays so boobs in her bed, you know, my sitting turn up long time, you know, she need have to pump it up, you know. It pump up by itself. No, talk it through. Chat. Power tap. Chat, 5 rows. Chat, now would you are 6 my team.
2 more rows, chat. 2 different person.
Yo, Jetty, where you the on the ranking? Where you the on the ranking?
Then push me again way back. I not get no gift.
Yeah, we about like which 23 are there? And you know, say I'm going to come shot you 2 gift my baby mother without no gimmicks. Yeah, but me I get a warm time for recharge.
Chat live.
Jetty, what you mean about my lie, bro?
When me I play match all the time, why you come shot my lion?
Yeah, man, I will come shot you everything.
Yeah, you see you? We not scared of you, bro.
What you mean you're scared of me, Jetty? Me not look that bad for you scared of me. Me look scary?